Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing spiritual bracelets. So stay tuned of the words and the colors and all that good stuff that I will be doing. I'll probably make like two. It depends on how many beads that I have. But yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. Oh yeah, make sure you comment too. Okay, so first word I will be doing is peace. So what I'm going to do, and I'm thinking about putting these right here for the beads to go around it. I meant to go around the word peace. I will probably do, I'm going to do black and white. That's the color. I'm going to do white beads with the black writing on there. Black and white. And here go another P, another A. Here go a C. Get another C. If not, I'll look in there and see if I can see what I'm looking for. And I just seen a C. Yes, here go a C. I need the two E's. And I don't see no E's in there, so I'm gonna do it with this. Here go an E. Here go an E. But yeah, you get what I'm doing, so I'll be back. So I'm getting out the blue dices for it. I'm gonna use these up anyways, because I got a lot. There's a lot of these, and I need to use them on up. But anyway, let me get my stuff out of here. My scissors and string out of here and get to work. So what I'm gonna do first is put the words on in there. I got different colors of the letters, and all that good stuff. I'm trying to see. I'm gonna go ahead and find the hole and put it on in there. Let y'all get what I'm doing, and I'll be back because my story. Sorry I didn't have my mic on, but as you can see, I am almost done with this bracelet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that one on there. Roll it around, and it's right there good. But I'm gonna put this bead on here. Let me see. Kind of big. So what I'm going to do is take it off of there. And I'm going to show y'all how it looks when I finish tying this up and putting it in this hole right here of the E. And get my scissors and cut it on off. And this is what I got. I think it's cute. But I'm going to do another one this color. As y'all see me pick out the letters and stuff. So stay tuned for that. And I'll be back. So I'm doing the same one, the same color. So I don't know how many I'm going to do with this. It depends on if my phone be great with me and let me do what I need to do. And how slow I'm going with these little tiny hoes. I don't know. Trying to get enough. Because I might do more. I'm going to do more, but I'm talking about on this video. I might do more. I'm doing 2 of each. Doing 2 of each. So if y'all like it or whatever the case may be, I will just put it on my website as well. But stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, so the next word is love. So it's peace and love. I gotta find my L for that love, but yeah, love. So it's love, but I'm gonna use my gold spacers, which is these right here. Use these for like the bead part. Do it like that. And see how that come out. And all that good stuff. Because these letters do got gold in it. So that's what I have. It came to mind. Instead of just putting the beads on there. But I'll be back because my storage again. And I'm getting tired of keep saying that. So I'll be back to show y'all what it looks like. So I'm about done with it. I would need about like 2 or 3 more beads on there. Well, spacers on there. And then so we're gonna move it up a little bit more. And we're gonna put one more on there. And then we're gonna twirl it on around. Great fit. And we're gonna tie it up. And then we're gonna stick the knot in this hole. Then we're gonna clip it. And then I'm gonna bring it up so y'all can see what it looks like. So it'd be like this. It's cute. I like it. Goes with my skin tone. But this is cute. I need to do one more, and then I'm not gonna show this one. I'm gonna show it whenever I get done. Okay, so here goes the other one. So I'm making 2 of each for now. Let me leave that alone for the string pop and I'll be mad. And here go the love one. I like it. Here goes the piece. And the last one I'm going to do is, let's see. The next one is Sound Mind. So that's the last one I'm going to do. So, yeah. Okay, so this is the beads that I will be using for that. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to use the rose gold spacer in between Sound Mind. That's what I'm going to do. Make sure that it's right and everything. I think I'm going to do episodes of this because I got a whole lot of words. A whole lot of words I have. And I think I'm going to do episode. So, yeah. Stay tuned and I'll be back. Stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay, so this is what I got. I'm going to twirl it around. Make sure that it's right. And it is. So now what I'm going to do is put the thread in the whole part. And yeah. So this is what I got right here. Sound Mind. I think it's cute. It got pink, and then it got rose gold right here, and you can see the words. And then you have love. And you have love. This little E don't want to stay, but then you have love right here with gold spacers on there. Then you have peace. See how it looks. So this is what I got. Tell me how I did. But this is the end of my video. This is episode 1. Or should I say 2, because I did prosperity in the video where I did with the brown beads looking things. But stay tuned for all of the episodes that I got going on in the words and all that good stuff. And it'll be 2 bracelets, 2 bracelets each of the words that I'm doing. So yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when me post another video. Oh yeah, make sure you comment below. See y'all in the next episode. Bye.